Shubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Samla daya phi lamari ka belate padwa baro ka re India kum ka rebel. Kalau kintu ki Samla ka jila baki don ka sab bandwai ki de bandon ka Sngewskhem Halade. Kani kalau penpau haba Jubab ya ka Jingkylli ka belabu du minti rangba ka jila Conrad ki sangma. Haba ulai yeng harinsan banbu Jingkylli kum ubei napdeng kino kershan jongka. Haba kalapau kum ka nongwai, haba karwai ha ka film dhurandhar, ka baak uran vir singh, kabala kani elot e baro ki film Hindi, ladai nujor bat ki wei ki film haba pin I haki cinema. Kani ka Jubab ka rebel ka day haba ka wan kum ka nong sha khot sngoba ban ai jingkran ha ka program rakhe World Music Day. Kabala long man ha ka arpau tarik jilio arjar arpo hendrio hamadan polo ban sam khusnam shaki samla don kam. Kabala long man ha ka arpau tarik jilio arjar arpo hendrio hamadan polo ban sam khusnam shaki samla Donsap kibarwai batem bat kibapin mi jingwai durki. Hagani ka program u Conrad ki sangma ulalong kumukongsan ban sam khusnam shaki best folk, best pop, best hip hop, best gospel, best collaboration, best music video, best original soundtrack, best inspiration song, best rock artist non-HM, best independent artist of the year, best MGMP artist non-HM, best female artist, best male artist, emerging artist of the year, song of the year. Napdeng ki jingruai baro ka jingruai shet kerang ka badai na ka film tingkai. Balarwai de uram suchang bat eben tami ki tang balaak de upira dot dong bat Sherilyn Khongwar kalayo ra ya kanam best song of the year jung usnam arhajar arpusan.
I'm also a fan, so I have the right to ask a question too. So you have really taken, the entire country by storm. You are an icon for so many of our youngsters, and I'm sure, especially in this crowd, so many look up to you. Do you have a message for them as well as for the lakhs of youth that are there in our state? So what would your message be to our youth, and especially to our musicians?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's really an honor, and I'm so glad that you appreciate what I'm doing. It really is an honor. Thank you so much. All right, answering the question is, to the musicians and to the youth of Meghalaya, I think, like I said, we have a story. We have so much talent. Earlier, we didn't have things like this, a music award. That was not something I ever thought of when I was still in Shillong. It was more of, I need to get out of here so I could do something. But now, you guys have a platform, you have something, and you need to utilize that. You need to really go out there, because the kind of talent that's here, you guys have no idea. I've done what I could, I've gone out, I've worked with many amazing musicians across the country, also worked with a lot of, a few international artists, and I think the thing that we have here is very special. You guys may not realize that, because sometimes when you're in a small bubble, you might not understand how special it is, that thing that you have. You really need to go out there and show them. And once you go out there, you'll realize just how good you are. You guys are so amazing. I was watching all the performances, since the first one, the choir, the kids, everybody, you guys are so good. You have no idea how good you are, and you really need to believe that. We need more people. Thank you.
Come on, let's hear your loudest of energy, ladies and gentlemen, for Song of the Year. Again, going to Section Samla for Shitkarang and Tingkai.
Sherilyn Khongwar ba playo ya ka best song of the year. Shit kerang mah. Kenapa shit siapa mana?
Sang shit.
Sekarang belum.
So komen na naman kani ka first time nga bangan wan hay kini ki award. De kada edukasi ka komen hay nga lang bang yo ken. Mang yo ka ta ka award mo.
Kita nak kerja sukan dah mana buat pemerai ke best music video film yo.
Film yo.
Dia kawan kabar best song of the year. Sekarang belum tu pernah.
Ani lah komen ha lapit band kum da senang section simple shit kerang tingkai ani lah komen bala jauman hindan dan.
Kan mau ni ambil cip jarak per lagi gua.
Ani katu shit kasim tasi lah yo siapa kaji so mang kaji job kan ni baru kali kaji kesan ke jong pi ki pajba kaji ai misi ki jong pi pajba bang lala ban pai hadu kan ikat thang
Music video mentah YouTube. Lapai kan ni.
Kalau jan poi 10 million. 10 million.
Adi subang. Kena kecing ruai kedai kecing itrak pai baik kadur jong pine lagi subang kasur ni lagi mana.
Na dong sedang ada let ya baru kat ada let adu kaji ruai adu ka nong ka scenery adu nong shoot adu nong direct adu actor baru kat la kelum nang mah baru kat kaji terus tom kan ka tim mah.
La da shit nela ker angkas ni ngalaku larban ya lang ba kiano pikular ya kana don jikular ya no
kadi tang ka film mah tambah filaman pa ya kan ka film po hello megalaya la da piku ban piano nga ap nang sekarang lu ya na piano salah ban pa ya kan film apo hello megalaya nama menta ki pelaj apo hello megalaya bisa download ini app hello megalaya nama punya i kan film shit kerang
maka shit
film sekarang film tingkai
tingkai mah ada shit kerang
kajing shit kerang
tapi perfect chogowa pilih mudor ba kan kini
ngat thana ina mal ba hang mila ak duna do museum mang ila I full energy la sudah nak konta mo
kadon am kajing apa pilih chogowa tu buat adu ba piyo kan ga kalau debit ka
kajing tu kadon bet namar bang hab syaik namar hasilong am ka weda ka kam shit ta kalong biang ka bas ha andangi poi pot chogowa ka kasih ka shit kerang kada shit kerang ko bagi luar benang shit kerang kada ya ha kajing shit je kasih
menero shit kerang lang mo
shit kerang lang
ngasga meneki officer ki ba goa ki lucu goa
ki on kana finish shit goa yes goa
oh lagi setenat mana mar
setenat
ma jaga dia kadan em jingrai ban pun kaya susu mata lagi film lagi
oi kadan kawi ka jingrai ka ba samin ocean da ka film kun film kepa
pihak pelak bahasa susu umur
mata sa kun film kepa ma te support sa kun film kepa
dan bok ba pina kuat ada malik sub yang saya bar jong ka jalan ya
balik kuat presiden stay tune kata rekan sedang
to dia kuliah bun ya kapor ka jong pi tekspeu no mane pi condor batu chief minister mo pi mo kesim ko
sukan ma nama ngadi big fan jong siam
cepet ha video ni
bas ba itu beri banang haban amin siam teh kada ka ngabas ba ya Conrad siam jengi
tama to kuliah bun
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong kajing sedang bathuma ki jingikai bapura katkom kajok kabamta ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jingikai kum ka fashion design filmmaking communication design music BBA MBA sports management nursing BTech computer science BSW MSW bat QA
ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjob ki urlong bat ki galalong ka jingshisa MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalawai bachok